Action does not appear randomly, it follows a pattern, and that pattern is shaped by the zodiac sign of Mars. Mars is the drive to act. The sign determines how that drive behaves. Before we judge our reactions, we must understand their structure. This video explores Mars from Aries to Virgo, 6 distinct ways the will expresses itself when faced with pressure, desire, or challenge. Mars in Aries acts immediately. Stillness feels unsafe. Delay feels like danger. These individuals initiate first and reflect later. Courage is natural, patience must be learned. When unconscious, Mars in Aries reacts impulsively. When mature, it becomes clean leadership. The lesson here is not slowing down, but choosing when to act. Mars in Taurus resists before moving. Action builds slowly, but once committed, it is relentless. These individuals prefer stability over urgency. They act only when they feel secure. When unconscious, Mars in Taurus becomes stubborn or blocked. When mature, it becomes powerful endurance. The lesson is learning that movement does not mean loss. Mars in Gemini acts through words. Thought precedes motion, debate replaces force. These individuals respond quickly with ideas, arguments, and explanations. When unconscious, Mars in Gemini overthinks and delays action. When mature, it becomes strategic and adaptable. The lesson is knowing when thinking must turn into doing. Mars in Cancer protects before acting. Emotion decides movement. Safety comes first. These individuals act defensively and react strongly when threatened emotionally. When unconscious, Mars in Cancer avoids conflict and builds resentment. When mature, it acts with emotional intelligence and care. The lesson is learning that assertion does not equal abandonment. Mars in Leo acts with pride and visibility. Action is tied to self-expression and recognition. These individuals lead naturally but struggle with rejection. When unconscious, Mars in Leo seeks validation. When mature, it acts with dignity and creative confidence. The lesson is acting from purpose, not applause. Mars in Virgo acts carefully. Movement must be correct before it begins. These individuals channel will through service, precision, and control. When unconscious, Mars in Virgo becomes critical or frozen. When mature, it becomes efficient and skillful action. The lesson is allowing imperfection in motion. Every Mars sign has strength and distortion. The problem is not the style, it is unconscious repetition. When action is automatic, karma continues. When action is observed, choice appears. You are not meant to act like everyone else. You are meant to act consciously as yourself. When Mars is understood, reaction becomes response. This is how action matures into conscious will. Welcome to Karmic Scripts. Master your map. Master your direction.